Hello children. Hello children. Hi. Yes, namaste and good morning to you all. It's me, Gopike, your new teacher. I handle English subjects to you for your grade. It's grade third grade. Yes. In previous class, you already know about me or you know about myself. Is it right now? Yes, in previous class, I already introduced myself in few lines. Is it right now? Is it right? Yes. In this class, newcomers are also here. Yes, please raise your hands. Who are the newcomers for this class, for this grade? Who are the newcomers? Yes, very good. Yes. In previous class, I already discussed about myself. I already introduced. Okay. In previous class, already we know about myself and short introduction about that content. Is it right now? Yes. Anyway, in this class, I would like to teach first lesson. I would like to teach the first lesson. Okay, what is our first lesson? Yes, nothing but the tale of Benjamin Bunny. The tale of Benjamin Bunny. Yes, firstly I am ask some questions to you. Okay, I think you are sitting comfortable. Is it right now? I think you are sitting comfortable. Is it right? Is it right? Do you understand my words? Do you understand my words?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. I think all of you guys are good at in your home. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. You know why I am standing here? Why I am standing here? You know? Yes, because of due to the cause of COVID. Due to the cause of COVID, our state government order lockdown system. Is it right now? Yes, that's why our prestigious institutions decided to doing online classes. So that's why I am standing here. So in this way, I don't want to waste this precious time because we have only short time. In this short period, we discuss something else. Okay. We discuss about the first chapter. What you have in your text. Is it right now? That is first chapter. First chapter name is what? The chapter name is The Tale of Benjamin Bunny. The Tale of Benjamin Bunny, written by Beatrix Potter. Yes. This is one of the kids' story. Again, kids' tale. It is belongs to children. Nothing but you. This tale means story, small story. Before going to the class, we discuss about the writer. There is no name of that particular writer in your text. Is it right now? Anybody can refer your textbooks. What you have? All of you guys collected your textbooks. All of you guys collect your textbooks. Nothing but yes. All of you guys collect. Yes, very good. How many lessons are there? What was the first lesson? What was the second lesson? Anybody can refer, anybody can read at your home, anybody can practice. Is it right now? In your free schedule, you just refer how many lessons are there, what are the lessons, what was the first lesson, what was the second lesson, what it tells us. Or you are the reader, Okay, what it tell us, ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ about your content. You just refer what are the lessons are there in your text. Is it right now? This is your work. You should do that work, I think. Okay. Okay, dears. Before going to the class, I would like to teach this lesson. Nothing but the tale of Benjamin Bunny. You know the tale? You know some stories, kids stories? Yes, Tenali Ramakrishna stories is there na? Yes, Panchatantra story is there na? Yes, that is also belongs to kids or children's stories. This is also belongs to children's stories written by Beatrix Potter. She is also one of the children story writer, and also Beatrix Potter written by this story, and also illustrated. Who was the writer of this story? Yes, Beatrix Potter is also one of the children's story writer, and also well-known writer. Okay, she is only writing some interesting stories about children. Mostly writing for only children's stories. ಬೀಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಟರ್ ಅವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನದಾಗಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಿ ರೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ kids stories, nothing but the tale of Benjamin Bunny. Before going to teaching the class, you should know about the difficult words. You know about the difficult words meanings and note down. Okay, and note down in your notebook. Bunny means rabbit, little rabbit. Then pony, P-O-N-Y, pony, nothing but horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Then passed, P-A-S-S-E-D, nothing but gone. Obeyed, O-B-E-Y-E-D, obeyed means order. These are all the difficult in your text. Okay, for this class only, what I teach in this class, and that content you have these difficult words. What I am going to teach, that content, that certain concept is there, no? In that certain concept, these are all the difficult words appears in that certain concept. Okay, what it this tale tell us to reader, or tell us what it tell. This tale of Benjamin Bunny, the first chapter, the tale of Benjamin Bunny, what it tell us, what it tells to readers. What was the concept? What was the main role of in this story? Okay, in this story, this is belongs to a Benjamin Bunny. A Benjamin Bunny. The Benjamin Bunny. Okay, that is a little rabbit. how this one that like that Benjamin Bunny save or help to other bunny, other rabbit, nothing but Peter. Okay, children, this is what? This is a little rabbit. You just imagine like that, okay? This is a rabbit, nothing but Benjamin Bunny. How it helps? How it help to Peter, his cousin. Peter means his cousin. Peter means its cousin. Okay. This story belongs to these rabbits. This tale or this story belongs to these guys or these Benjamin Bunny. This is Peter. Peter was cousin of Benjamin Bunny. This Peter was cousin of Benjamin Bunny. Okay. The Peter was lost. The Peter was, this is Peter, this Peter rabbit was lost his clothes. Lost his clothes. Okay. This Peter was lost his dress or clothes. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಪೀಟರ್ ಏನ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಅದು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ gone to the garden, that garden belongs to a person. That person was take away these dresses. Okay, this rabbit or this Peter was going to a garden. That garden person was take away the Peter's dresses. And that time the Peter was sitting in a passive mode. So he's lost their own clothes. And that situation, his cousin Benjamin Bunny was helped to his cousin Peter. Both ghosts are returned back to the garden to take Peter's dresses or Peter's clothes. What the Peter lost. That's why the Benjamin Bunny was main role in this story. In this story, the Benjamin Bunny was helped to their or his cousin rabbit. Cousin, nothing but Peter. In this way, the story is going on. Okay, let me discuss about that whole story step by step. Is it right now? Yes. Okay. All of you guys have text? Can I repeat in Kannada what the whole summary is there? Yes. ಬೆಂಜಮಿನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮೈನ್ ರೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೇನ್ ರೋಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇಸ್ ಕಸಿನ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸೋದರ ಸಂಬಂಧಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? ಪೀಟರ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು. ಪೀಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ರಾಬಿಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೆಂಜಮಿನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೈನ್ ರೋಲ್. ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಜಮಿನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೀಟರ್ ಸೋದರ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತನ್ನ ಹಸಿವನ್ನ ನೀಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಮ್ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಂತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅವೇ ದ ಹರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಓನರ್. ದ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಓನರ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅವೇ, ಟೇಕ್ ಅವೇ ದ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಟರ್ಸ್. So that time the Benjamin Bunny was entered and entering, and it helps to the Peter. This is the main role in this, main concept in this story. Nothing but the tale of Benjamin Bunny. Yes, all of you guys, open your text. In first page, you should finish that words. Okay, in first page you should finish that words. Okay, I will show neatly. Look here, dear students, the tale of Benjamin Bunny. Warm up. How is picture A different from B? How is picture C different from D? What should the animals do? These are all your questions. You just understood carefully. Look at these pictures. In first one picture, 2 birds are there. Second one picture also 2 birds are there. In first, what is the difference between first one pictures and second one picture? Main difference between first one picture and second one pictures. First one pictures you will think like that A, and second one picture nothing but B. Are you observed? Yes, in first one picture, the bird feeding to another bird. Okay. In second one pictures, both birds are quarreled. Yes. In C picture, 2 monkeys are there. One monkey is pumping. Another monkey is drinking water. Okay. In D picture, 2 monkeys are quarreled each. 2 monkeys are quarreled each. Look here, first picture is there, no? Second picture is there, no? You just observe and write. Okay. Describe the what is difference between A picture and B picture and C picture to D picture. Yes. Okay. Go on to the lesson. Should observe carefully and listen carefully. How can I pronounce that some difficult words? You just concentrate here. Is it right now? Yes. One morning, has little Benjamin Bunny sat on a river bank. He heard the trick-trot of a pony. One morning, as a little Benjamin Bunny sat on a river bank, he heard the trick-trot of a pony. A horse carriage was coming along the road. It was driven by Mr. McGregor, and beside him sat Mrs. McGregor. This is first passage. I move to second passage. As soon as they had paused, little Benjamin set off to visit his cousins, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. As soon as they had paused, little Benjamin set off to visit his cousins, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. They lived in the wood at the back of Mr. Gregor's garden. Old Mr. Rabbit had once told the little bunnies, you may go into the fields, or down the lane, or down the lane. But don't go. But don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. To go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail were good little bunnies and obeyed their mother. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail were good little bunnies and obeyed their mother, but not Peter. Okay, I would stop like that. That passage enough to this class. Okay, yes, I will explain step by step. You just observe carefully and note some difficult words in your classwork. Is it right now? Yes. One morning, you just think one morning or one day or one morning. Morning means at the early morning, fresh morning. A little bunny. One morning, a little bunny sat. Little bunny sat. Little bunny sat on a river bank. On a river bank. I write some pictures here. Okay, you should observe neatly. This is the river. This is just imagine. This is river. This is bank. River bank. Bank means not your corporation bank and Canara Bank. Bank means this is the rises. This is bank. Okay, ದಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನದಿಯ ದಂಡೆ, ಕೆರೆಯ ದಂಡೆ ಅಂತ. That is one. That's one. Okay. This is the sea. Okay, or ocean. Okay, in that, on the bank, the little bunny, the little bunny sat on the bank. This is bank. River. This is river. Not ocean, not sea. This is river. Okay. One day morning, the little rabbit sit on the river bank. Okay, river bank means a raised area. A raised area. Bank means a raised area of ground along the edge of river. Along the edge. This is the edge, you know. This is edge. Along the river edge. The river is under or below or lower, but bank is upper stage. Okay, this is riser.
Start.
One day a little Benjamin bunny sat on a river bank. Okay, when the little bunny sat, that time a vehicle passed away. But the little Benjamin, they don't know that vehicle name. Okay, that vehicle name is horse carriage. Horse carriage. The horse carriage. Nothing but pony. The little Benjamin or rabbit hear the voice, that pony sound, when the horse carriage moved at the pass. At the time, the little Benjamin hear that voice. That voice came from a horse. Okay, horse. like that. And that vehicle was driven. That vehicle was driven by Mr. McGregor's. Mr. McGregor's. Driven by Mr. McGregor's. G-O-R. Mr. Gregor. Okay. Yes. That vehicle name is what? Yes, horse carriage. Horse carriage. You know, I will show some picture you just observe. In the beginning of the picture, you just understood. A rabbit is sitting on the river bank and it is in passive mode. That time, a vehicle is passed into the rabbit, nothing but Benjamin Bunny. Near to the Benjamin Bunny, hear the voice of that pony. Pony voice. Pony means horse. Okay, like that horse sounding when it's entered or when it's running, like that. Tuck, 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 like that. Yes. And that time, that horse carriage was driven. The driven by Mr. McGregor. And in the beside of that horse carriage, beside of McGregor, Mrs. McGregor is sitting on the horse carriage. In the horse carriage, both guys are there. Those are McGregor and his wife, McGregor. Okay? Do you understand? Yes, that is the first passage. One morning at Little Benjamin Bunny sat on a river bank. He heard the trot of a pony. ಒಂದು ಕುದುರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಬೆಂಜಮಿನ್. ಪೋನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕುದುರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಎ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೇಜ್, ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ರೋಡ್. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ರೋಡ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವನ್ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ McGregor and beside him sat Mrs. McGregor. As soon as they passed, when the McGregor driven the vehicle, nothing but that vehicle name is horse carriage, they passed away. They soon as passed, like that. They passed away. Quickly they passed out, and they gone. And that time, the little Benjamin was going speed, with moving speed, nothing but jump and run into the vehicle for chasing. The rabbit was set off. Set off means planning. The rabbit or little Benjamin Bunny was set off to meet or visit. Little Benjamin Bunny was set off to meet their cousins. Like that, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and also Peter. This is Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and also Peter. These guys are also their cousins. Nothing but Bunny's relatives. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and also Peter. These are all the cousins of the relatives of Benjamin, little Benjamin. They lived. These guys are, just right, these guys are lived. They are lived in the wood at the back of Mr. Gregor's garden. These guys, like Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter, also lived in Gregor's garden. In Gregor's garden. In Gregor's garden. Where they are living? They are living in Mr. Gregor's garden. Who are they living? Mopsy, Flopsy, and also Cottontail and Peter. Yes, I read some names. Can I write those names? I think you are understood. Okay, in your text, just note down. Okay, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. They are lived in the wood of the garden of Mr. Gregor's. Okay, yes. In this way, these are all main little rabbits are lived in Mr. Gregor's garden, and that time the Benjamin want to meet them. Okay, that is the main plan of that Benjamin. On that time, the fold aunt or the mother of Flopsy, Mopsy, and also Cottontail was told little bunnies, okay, you may go into the fields. Okay, there the grand bunny was told to little bunnies. Okay, you go into the fields. You may go into the fields or down lane. Okay, down the lane. Lane means ಹುಲ್ಲು. ಓಕೆ ನಾ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಗಾವಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. But don't go into Mr. Gregor's garden. But you don't go into the Mr. Gregor's garden. You should not go. You should go into the field and lay down. But you don't going into the Mr. Gregor's garden. That garden belongs to Mr. Gregor's garden. He is not well and good. He is cruel. He is beating you. So that's why you are not going to that garden. That garden belongs to who? Mr. Gregor's. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail were good little bunnies. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail were good little bunnies and obeyed their mother, but not Peter. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail are little bunnies. Okay, as they are obeyed. They obeyed their mother, but not Peter. Yes. Okay, dears. In this class, we already discussed about the main role or main concept. Okay, nothing but the situation of Benjamin Bunny. What was the set of that Benjamin Bunny, and also who are the cousins of Benjamin Bunny. Who already know about the Bunny's cousins or Benjamin Bunny's relatives. Nothing but Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and also Peter. What was the mindset of Benjamin Bunny? What was the situation of Benjamin Bunny? In the next class, we will discuss about the continued part of this story. Nothing but I will come with new concept. In this class, you already discuss, already you know about the such things. Nothing but Benjamin Bunny situation and for the main character in this story and for the relatives of the Benjamin Bunny. What was the mindset of Benjamin Bunny and what was the advice of Grand Bunny to their children or their little bunnies? In this class, we know about that concept. Is it right now? I think you all of you guys understand it better. Okay? Is it right? Yes. I hope you understand. Yes. In this class, I will teach these concepts. You understood? I think you are understanding better. It's enough to this class. In next class, we will discuss about the another continued part of this chapter. I will come with new concept. Let you wait and see. Okay? Yes. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your patience. And thank you one and all. And namaste. Once again, I will send the today homework through the WhatsApp. You just wait and see. Okay? Is it right now? Bye. All of you guys. Thank you. Bye. Once again.